Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be opening some chests in the new freaking lottery. Right now I have 120 keys, and my goal is to get this thing. Or, that many gems. I'm fine with that too. So, we're going to be opening them up. Oh my god! That's it? Dang it. Alright, so, alright. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Alright. Dang it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay. That's cool. Right. Do another one. Alright, that sucks. Dang it, coin loop. Crap. Alright. No. Yes. 50. No. No. Yes. Crap. I mean, now I'm just gonna open the rest. I could have done that, but you know. Alright, yeah. Right. Put it right. Let's put it on this thing. See what we can get. No! Come on, I want it. I want it. Okay, put it on the chainsaw thing. Come on. No! Ah, no! Wait, I didn't see it yet. No! Well, that absolutely sucks. I got 31 gems from it. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, now we got 50 more keys. Alright. Alright. So, let's open one. Come on. Alright, let's do 9 for 45. Come on. Give me what I want. No, that's not what I want. Coin loop. Are you serious? No! No! Alright. Dang it. Alright. I'll be back when I get another 50 keys. Alright guys, we have another 50 keys, and we are going to be opening them single this time. One by one. Okay, good start. Alright. One by one. Alright. Okay. Alright. 5. Alright. Come on. I want it. Alright, that's good. That's really good. Let's just move it back one. Oh my god. Dang. Alright, so if I do it here. Alright. Now go to the hitman. Alright. And then how many? That's very far away. start at the Hitman. Crap. So at the Hitman, move up one. Okay. It's literally a random chance every time. Open 5. It's whenever I do it. It's whenever I freaking do it. I get the coin loop. Alright, actually. 5 more gems. Come on. Chainsaw. Alright, that's actually pretty good. Alright, so this is the prize log. So, we got 2 weapons. The chainsaw, and all the way down here we also got the cobblestone path. But all the way down here, if I can actually get to there, we got the icicle machine gun, minigun. Sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna be opening some more. So let's open one right now. I'm gonna be opening them singly because whenever I open them for some reason, like in the groups, it always gives me the coin loop. So hopefully it doesn't give me the coin loop. I'm fine with the gem loop, but not that. Alright. So now we get, 10 gems. That's pretty good. Better than 10 coins. Or even 1 coin. Okay, now we get to open another chest. Alright. Oh, crap. 10 gems, 10 coins. Oh. What's next? 1 gem. Great. Alright, next one. 5 coin, 5 gems. It's better than coins, so. Dang it, 1 part. Melee. Dang it. Oh my god. I didn't know there could be a loop of these too. Alright. Wow. Okay, next one. Dang it. I don't need any more coins. Come on. Okay. 3 more gems. Alright, so now, censored. Okay, guys, I got another 50 keys, so now I'm gonna open more. Come on, Mega Gun or something like that. Can't remember the name. Yeah, but alright, so I'm going to be doing the last one, right? Alright, guys, last chest, last 50 keys I'm gonna be opening. Alright. Come on. Dang it. Not what I wanted. Right. Let's open another one. And what did I get? 1 gem. Come on, I feel something this round. Yeah, I felt 1 gem. Alright. Let's see what else. Okay. 10 more gems. I could have bought the freaking gun itself, but it's more fun to open these. Alright. Okay. Dang it. Alright. Come on. Come on. Yes. 3 gems. Alright, so this is a part. Alright, so what else? Yeah, I needed that so much. Okay, last chest. What will I get? Okay, come on. 5 gems. Okay. Well, if you guys enjoyed that video of a chest opening, please leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. I'll post a video tomorrow. Bye.